Have you ever found yourself in a financial pinch on a weekend, desperately needing access to your funds? Maybe you had an unexpected expense, or perhaps you simply wanted to treat yourself to something special. If so, you've probably wondered, does Varo Bank deposit on weekends? Today, we're going to dive into that question and explore everything you need to know about Varo's weekend banking services. We'll discuss their deposit schedules, potential delays, and even some alternative options if you need immediate access to your money. Before we get into the specifics, let's take a moment to understand why weekend banking is so important. In today's fast-paced world, our financial lives are often intertwined with our personal and professional commitments. Whether it's paying bills, transferring funds, or simply checking your balance, having access to your money when you need it can be crucial. Traditional banks often have limited hours, especially on weekends. This can be inconvenient for those who work long hours, have irregular schedules, or simply prefer the flexibility of banking whenever it suits them. That's where online banks like Varo come in. Varo's weekend deposit policy. Now, let's get to the heart of the matter. Does Varo Bank deposit on weekends? The short answer is, it depends. While Varo does offer 24/7 online and mobile banking, their deposit processing times can vary depending on several factors. Factors affecting deposit processing times. Deposit method. The method you use to deposit funds can influence how quickly they become available. Electronic transfers, ACH, typically take longer than mobile check deposits or cash deposits at Varo ATMs. Deposit timing. The time of day you make the deposit can also play a role. Deposits made early in the weekend may be processed sooner than those made later in the day. Bank holidays. If a bank holiday falls on a weekend, it can cause further delays in deposit processing. Potential delays. It's important to note that even if Varo processes your deposit on a weekend, there may still be a delay before the funds become available for withdrawal or spending. This is because banks often have internal procedures and regulatory requirements that can affect the availability of deposited funds. Alternative options. If you need immediate access to your money on a weekend, Varo offers a few alternative options. ATM withdrawals. You can withdraw cash from Varo ATMs or Allpoint ATMs. However, there may be fees associated with these withdrawals, so it's a good idea to check Varo's fee schedule. Overdraft protection. If you have overdraft protection enabled, you may be able to withdraw funds beyond your available balance, up to your overdraft limit. However, there are typically fees associated with overdraft protection, so it's important to use this feature responsibly. Mobile check deposits. Varo allows you to deposit checks using your smartphone. While this can be a convenient option, it may take a few days for the funds to become available. In conclusion, while Varo does offer 24/7 online and mobile banking, their weekend deposit processing times can vary depending on several factors. If you need immediate access to your funds on a weekend, it's a good idea to have alternative options in place, such as ATM withdrawals or overdraft protection. By understanding Varo's weekend deposit policies and exploring these alternative options, you can ensure that you're prepared for any financial situation that may arise. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time,